Hello students, I hope you have understood the important definitions and concept and some important terms which I have explained in the previous video related to lesson number 5, that is on chapter 5, that is operations on rational numbers. So now let's proceed further and start with practice set 22. Now practice set 22, question number 1, you can open your maths textbook, that is page number 36, and even your classwork notebook. Now see children, first question, carry out the following additions of rational numbers. Now here you need to add the rational numbers. Now here the first question is 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. Now one thing remember children, you can solve this type of sums in one or two methods. Whichever method you feel comfortable, you can go ahead with that. So in some cases you are going to reduce first and then you will be adding, or first you will be adding and then reducing. Anything you can do it. So 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. Now 6 ones are 6, 7s are, that is equal to 5 upon 36 plus 1 upon 7. Now this is equal to, so we have reduced the second fraction. Why we are reducing children? Because if you reduce, then now let's cross multiply children. So the first fraction, that is 5 upon 36, you can multiply by 7, 7 plus 1 upon 7 you are going to multiply by 36. So this is equal to 5 7s are 35 upon 36 into 7, 36 into 7 will be 252 plus 136 are 136 upon 252. So this will become 252, 35 plus 36, 35 plus 36, and that is equal to 71 upon 252. Clear children? Now let's start with the second question, that is 1 2 upon 3 plus 2 4 upon 5. Now you can see children, this question is given in the form of mixed fraction. So first, as we know that first whenever the fraction is given in the mixed fraction, we need to convert it into improper fraction. Now let us do that. So 1 3s are 3 plus 2 5, 5 upon 3 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 upon 5. Now again the same process, we are going to make the denominators equal by cross multiplication method. So first fraction you will be multiplying by 5 plus 14 upon 5 you will be multiplying by 3 into 3. Now this is equal to 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15 plus 14 3s are is 42 upon 5 3s are 15. So this is equal to, now denominators are equal, so you can add 25 plus 42 upon 15 and 25 plus 42, that is equal to 67 upon 15. This also children we cannot reduce further because they will not go in the same table. So we will stop over here. Now let's start with the third question children, 11 upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. Now see children, it is the same since it is given in improper form, so directly, but the denominators are different, so you have to cross multiply. 11 upon 17 multiplied by 19 plus 13 upon 19 you will multiply by 17. Now this is equal to 11 into 19, if you multiply it's 209 upon 17 into 19, that is 323 plus 13 into 17, that will be your 221 upon 323. So denominators are equal, 323 and this is 209 plus 221, and that is equal to 430 upon 323. Okay. Now the last question, again it is given the mixed fraction, that is the fourth one. So it is 2 3 upon 11 plus 1 3 upon 77. Now this is equal to 2 11s are 22 plus 3 25 upon 11 plus 77s are, so 177 plus 3, that is 80 upon 77. Clear? 80 upon 77, 25 upon 11 plus 80 upon 77. Now same method, cross multiplication, so it will be 25 upon 11 into 77 into 77 plus 80 upon 77, this will multiplied by 11. Okay, so this will be multiplied by 11. Now this is equal to 25 into 70, 25 into 77. 25 into 77 will be 170. Okay, 5. So now here see children, you can see that here 25 into 77 upon 11 into 77, 80 into 11 and 77 into 11. But here you can see that now this multiplication has become little hard, or we can say it's a bigger number and it will take time. So here one more method we can do, second method we can do, which will go little easy. We'll start with the second step, that is 25 upon 11 plus 80 upon 77. So this is equal to, now here see children, what we can do here, only the first fraction, that is we can, so now 25 upon 11 will multiply this first fraction by 7 plus 80. So now second fraction 80 upon 77 you will write as it is. So this will become 25 into 7. 25 into 7 is 175 upon 11 sevens are 77 plus 80 upon 77. Now this is equal to, now see children, the denominators have become equal, so we will write 77 here and this will write 175 plus 80, and that is equal to 175 plus 80, so that is equal to 255 upon 77. 255 upon 77. That will be further, if you want you can reduce it or we can leave it finally over here, because answer is given till here, so we will leave it over here. Now question number 2, carry out the following subtractions involving the rational numbers. Now we need to subtract children. So question number 2, first one is given 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Okay, 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Now again for minus subtraction also children, first we need to make the denominators equal, as we already know. So cross multiplication, 7 into 7, 11 into 7 minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 11. So this becomes 49 upon 11 sevens are 77 minus 3 11s are 33 upon 77. So this is equal to 49 minus 33 upon 77, and 49 minus 33, that is equal to 16 upon 77. So you are going to stop over here. Now let's see the second question. Let's see the second question children. Second is given 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. Now you can see children here, first fraction 13 upon 36. Okay, so we'll write 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. Now we know children 2 and 40 we can reduce this fraction, so that little multiplication becomes easy. So 2 ones are 2 20s are. So this is equal to 13 upon 36 minus 1 upon 20. Now let's cross multiply. So 13 into 20 upon 36 into 20 minus 1 upon 20 into 36. So now children 13 into 20. Now what you can do children here, 13 twos are, it is 26, and this you can put 1 0. So whenever there is 0 you can multiply in a shortcut way. Okay, 13 twos are you can write and then you can put 1 0 minus 1 36 are 36, and this 36 into 20, that 36 twos are children 72 we know, and we can put 1 0, so it becomes okay 720. 36 into, easy way to multiply, whenever we have zeros in the unit, any 0 is there, that time you can go for shortcut method for multiplying. So this becomes again 720. Now this is equal to 260 minus 36 whole upon 720. So this is equal to, so 260 minus 36, that is equal to 224 upon 720. Now see children, since both last digit is unit even number, so we can both will be reduced, we can reduce it by which table, where both numbers will be divisible by 2. You can take you can go with 4 also. So here I am showing over here how 222 224 upon 720 we can reduce. Here I am showing that, see, 224 upon 720. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are and 2 twos are, and this will become 2 threes are 2 6 are 12 and 0. Now again 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are, and here 2 ones are 80s are. Okay, now 2 twos are and 2 8s are, and this becomes 2 90s are, and 2 14s are, and this is 2 45s are. So after reducing you are getting 14 upon 45. Clear, children? See how I have reduced. You can reduce with 4, you can go with a bigger number, that is you can divide both the terms by 4 also, or you can do with 2 also. In any ways you can reduce a fraction as you want. Now let us do the third question, that is 1 2 upon 3 minus 3 5 upon 6. Now see children, again it is a mixed fraction, so first we need to convert into 1 3 is 3 and plus 2, that is 5 upon 3 minus 3 6 are, okay, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5, that is 23, that is 23 upon 6. Now cross multiplication, 5 upon 3 multiplied by 6 minus 23 upon 6 into 3 into 3. So this becomes 5 6 are 30, 30 upon 3 6 are 18, okay, minus 23 3s are, so that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, so it is 69 upon 18. Now here 30 minus, okay, 30 minus 69, so it is minus 39 upon 18. Now see children, 30 minus 69 or 69 minus, so it will become, you can here, since why there is a minus sign, because you are subtracting okay, smaller number from a bigger number. 69, you from 69 you first subtract 30, so it will become 9 and there is 3, so 39, and you are putting, what is the sign of the bigger number? Minus, so you are going to put minus 39 upon 18. Now we know that both this fraction can be reduced by 3 tables, okay, so 3 ones are 3 threes are, and this is 3 6 are, so your answer is minus 13 upon 6. Okay, so it is minus 13 upon 6. Now see children, question number 4 you will be doing for homework. Same method as we have done the third question, you are going to same first convert into improper fraction and then subtract. Now let's start with the question number 3, that is multiply the following rational numbers. So now first one children is 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Now you remember children, multiplication of fractions or rational number, the multiplication says that numerator will multiply with the numerator, denominator with denominator. So 3 twos are, so it will be 3 into 2, this will be 11 into 5. So the 3 twos are 6 upon 55. Now second one is 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Now see children, if you want you can, okay, now this is equal to see now here also children, in multiplication also, the whenever final answer you are getting in multiplication, addition or subtraction, you should try to reduce a fraction if it is possible. If not possible, then you will be leaving it. Now here you can see children that 12 and 15, okay, 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So I'll, okay, so here I am reducing, this becomes what, 3 4s are 3 5s are, so I am getting 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. So this becomes 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. Now here if I would have, you can multiply 12 4s are, okay, first you multiply and then after that you can reduce. That time in that case also your answer will be same, but in that case your multiplication will become little, it will take little time. Otherwise you can do what, directly as I am doing, okay. That means I am reducing and then we are multiplying, so that becomes very easy. Now let's see the third one, that is minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. So this is equal to minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. Now we know that we can what we can do, we can divide the fractions, okay, we can divide these numbers. 3 ones are 3 threes are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, so what is remaining, minus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 1. So this is equal to minus 2 upon 3, okay children, minus 2 upon 3. Now see children, the last question is 0 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. Now while explanation I had told whenever there is 0 in the numerator, the value of that fraction becomes 0. So this will become 0 upon 6 is 0 into 3 upon 4. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. Now question number 4 children, write the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so write the multiplicative inverse. Question number 4, multiplicative, first one, okay, 2 upon 5. I had already explained in the previous video what is multiplicative inverse, will be nothing but the reciprocal. So 2 upon 5, okay, you will write, so multiplicative inverse will be 5 upon 2. Minus 3 upon 8, it will be what? Minus 3 upon 8, so that will be minus 8 upon 3. Minus sign, always there will be no change in the minus sign. Now here I am doing it orally. You will be completing this question in your classwork book on your own. Okay, in the classwork book you will complete this. Minus 17 upon 39, so it will be minus 39 upon 17. Now here you have the next, that is 7. So what, how are you going to write this reciprocal? First you give the denominator 1, so reciprocal, that will become 1 upon 7. Okay, and minus 7 1 upon 3. First you will be converting this. Okay, minus 7 1 upon 3. 7 3s are 21 plus this minus 22 upon 3, and then reciprocal will be minus 3 upon 22. Okay, when if it is given the mixed fraction, first you will be converting it into improper fraction and then writing the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of that number. Now last question, that is question number 5. Carry out the divisions of the rational number. Now see children, this is the, till now what we have done the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now coming to division of rational numbers. Okay, so how are we going to divide the rational number? Let us take the first question, that is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. Now as you know that in lesson number 2 also we have done multiplication and division of integers, so it is almost the same what we have done in that chapter. Okay, now here this will be equal to, we know that whenever we have to divide the fraction, we have to, what we have to do, we have to multiply, and then after multiplying with the reciprocal. Okay, so how it is, 40 upon 12 into, we will be writing the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 4 upon 10. Clear? Always remember children, whenever you have to divide, first convert this division sign into multiplication, and after that multiplication whatever fraction comes, you are writing the multiplicative inverse, or you can say reciprocal of that fraction, and then you will move ahead. So 4 4s are 16, that means 160, and this becomes 1. Okay, 12 into is 120. 0 0 goes, so this is 16 upon 12. Now we know 4 4s are 4 3s are, so this is 4 upon 3. Okay, now let's do the second one. Now here also children, here only 10 1s are 10 1s are 10 4s are, 4 1s are 4 3s are. If you want, you can reduce here. Okay, you can cancel and reduce it here, make it simple form, and then also if you do, you will get the same answer. Now second one is minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. Okay, minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. So this is equal to minus 10 upon 11, as it is division you are converting into multiplication, so this becomes minus 10 upon 11. Now this is equal to 10 10s are 100, and this minus minus becomes plus, 11 11s are 121. Now let's start with the third one, minus 7 upon, that third one is minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. So this is equal to minus 7 upon 8 into, okay, minus 6 upon 3. Now here minus minus gets cancelled, or you can say 4. Now 2 3s are 2 4s are, so this is equal to 7 upon 4 into 3 upon 3 children. 3 upon 3 means it is, we can cancel, that is 1 upon 1, you can write 1 upon 1. So this is equal to 7 on the 7, and this is 7 upon 4. Now let's do the fourth question. Fourth one is 2 upon 3 divided by minus 4. Okay, 2 upon 3 divided by minus 4. So this is equal to 2 upon 3. First step, children, we don't have the denominator, so write the denominator 1. Now this is equal to 2 upon 3. Division will convert into multiplication, and this reciprocal means minus 1 upon 4. So this is equal to, okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, we are cancelling it, making it simple. So here we are getting what is remaining, 1 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 2. 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1 upon 6. Now let's do the fifth question. Now fifth question, see children, it is given in the mixed fraction 1 upon 5 divided by 5 3 upon 6. So here also the method will be same. First convert into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 5 divided by 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 that is 33 upon 6. Now this is equal to 11 upon 5 into, okay, 6 upon 33 reciprocal. Now 11 ones are 11 threes are. So this is equal to 1 upon 5 into 6 upon 3. Now further we can reduce here only. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what is remaining? 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 1. So this is equal to 1 twos are 2 and this is 5. See children, directly also you can multiply and write. If you are not writing this step, it's okay. Directly also you can multiply and write the answer. Now last three question number 6, 7 and 8 you will be doing for homework, but in the classwork book itself. Okay children, so that three question, with this we will be completing practice set 22. So that will be for homework. The next topic what we will be taking in the next video will be numbers in between, the rational numbers in between 2 to top, that will be taking, and practice set 23 will be taking. Okay, so some more sums I will be sending for homework, which will be solving in the homework book. Okay, complete your class book. Have a nice day.